Welcome to Browsify. In today's video, I'll show you how to set up navigation and menus on your Shopify store, making it easier for your customers to navigate through your pages. First, let's understand Shopify's navigation system. Navigation is what helps your customers easily find important pages like products, collections, and contact pages. To start, let's create your main menu. This is usually the primary navigation bar at the top of your store. Here, you can add new menu items, like links to your homepage, product collections, or custom pages. This is how you add a link for a product collection. Name it and save. Next, let's add some submenu items under your main menu. This creates a drop-down effect when customers hover over a menu item. You can create drop-downs by simply dragging the menu items to the right like this. You can also edit and rearrange your menu items. Just drag them to the right place. This will help you organize your navigation so that it makes sense for your customers. Shopify also lets you customize the footer menu. This is where you might add links to your terms and conditions, privacy policy, or contact page. Let's add links like contact us and privacy policy to the footer. Once you've added all the menu items, don't forget to click Save. Now that we've set up our menu and navigation, let's customize how they appear on your store's front end. To do this, we need to go into the theme customization settings. In your Shopify admin, go to Online Store Themes, and then click Customize next to your active theme. Once inside the theme customizer, let's start by customizing the header section, where your main menu is displayed. This is usually found under the header settings. Here, you can enable or disable certain links in your navigation and adjust their positioning to match your store's design. Don't forget to check how your navigation looks on mobile. Shopify allows you to make specific adjustments for the mobile view to ensure a smooth user experience. You can switch to mobile view here and make changes like changing the size of the menu or adjusting the way the drop-downs appear. Once you're happy with how everything looks, make sure to preview your store and check that all the menus and navigation items are working properly. Click Save to finalize your changes. And you're done. That's how you set up navigation and menus on your Shopify store. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for more Shopify tips. See you next time.